Well, a couple months ago, I was able to pick up an old logging arch. Woo! Over on the coast. It was all rusty and I had to rebuild it, which I showed the process of that on my Facebook page. Effortless, man. Just push a button. I love it. This is great. I'll grab my cant hook and roll it up so it'll pull it up in there. It came with a hand winch, hand crank winch, but I put an electric winch on it. Just a light one, but it worked pretty well. Pulled some pretty good sized logs out with just at 4,300 pounds, something like that, 4,200. Runs off a car battery. I don't do large amounts of intense logging, so this works just fine for me. Pretty good sized log. It might even have some good wood in it. I think it will. These logs will be going to my sawmill. There you go. Make sure the weight's off of the winch. So I don't want the weight to be on the winch. So all the weight's on the chains. Cool. I'd say it's working pretty smashingly well. Gets that front end off the ground so the whole log's not dragging along, getting all dirty. It dulls the saw blade and makes a mess.